Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to my vlog. I'm here in the underground tunnel of Cornish Street. I came from the Cornish Beach. We have a nice painting in the wall. Here, this is what I like in this tunnel. In the other tunnel, no painting. See, this is what I like in this tunnel. The nice painting. See? Oh. See, they have a nice painting. See, I want to take photo here. I like the painting in the wall of this tunnel. But it's dark today. No, maybe the light. There's no light today. This is what I like in this tunnel. The painting, they have a nice painting here. And going up there and down.